When most people think about AI in education, they imagine help with writing or reading, but AI can help with math too. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Edcafe AI to create a math chatbot that guides students through word problems step by step. So this means more personalized support, smarter scaffolding, and the right level of challenge for every one of your learners. So to create this math chatbot, we're going to go into edcafe.ai, and in our Create New section in this teaching learning materials, we'll click on Chatbot. From here, we simply just need to describe what we want the chatbot to do. So here we actually can just say that we want to help students practice solving math word problems for quadratic equations. You guys can adjust this part for whichever topic or specific part of math that you want to work on. Then we can click Create Chatbot, and Edcafe will come up with some prompt instructions for this chatbot. We can review this as needed so we can see the role and objectives. You can act as a friendly and supportive math tutor, use the correct communication with students, and then you can also see this greeting message and specific steps and interaction guidelines. So instead of asking these questions of what these 1, 2, 3 of what the students are looking for, let's adjust this prompt a little bit. So, which is really great with Edcafe is if you're not liking the way this is looking, or after reading this want to be a little bit more specific in this prompt assistant here, we can continue to adjust. So let's go ahead and add a couple more specific instructions. So we want to give the students questions, breaking down the steps when they need help, and offering any hints or easier questions when they're stuck. So that's part of that scaffolding for math as well, but then also challenge them with harder problems when they're ready. So that way it is constantly adjusting. And from there, we can go ahead and click Refine Now, and Edcafe will take those pieces into consideration when now generating. So here we still have the 1, 2, 3 of our greeting message. So let's go ahead and delete this and say, I have some questions ready for you. Okay, let me know when you want to begin. That way it's a little bit easier. Students can just say hello and then they'll start with their quizzes. And then from here, we can see that the chatbot will guide students through the process and has some further interaction guidelines. So review these, make sure that the chatbot is exactly how you'd like, and then we can go ahead and save it. So once we save this chatbot in our Edcafe AI library, we can then share it with our students, or you can always go ahead and test it out on your own. That way you can see if it's interacting in the way that you would like. So let's actually go through how we would share it with students first. So we'll click Assign, copy link, and then we can open this up. Let's go ahead, just type in a quick name here, and we can go ahead and begin. So let's go ahead and say we are ready. And we have our first question. So a rectangular garden has a length that is 3 meters longer than its width. The area of the garden is 70 meters. What is the dimension of the garden? Students can take their time working this out on paper. They can even go ahead and take an image of their work and upload it here, or they can just add in the answer to the question. And depending on how they answer, we can see that the chatbot will break this down and can give further questions here. And depending on how we're answering the questions, they can get harder or more difficult. So if we just say we're not sure here, then the chatbot will actually break it down into those steps like we asked for before. So feel free to explore this chatbot and see how it adjusts and can adapt to your students, including all of the different math equations that can be used. Back on your teacher side, just a quick note that when your students are interacting with these chatbots, you are able to review them. That way you can monitor your students' interactions in a safe space. So we have all of the questions that were asked along with your students' answers that can be reviewed. So if you've wondered if AI can really make a difference in your math class, the answer is yes, it absolutely can. So with Edcafe, you can give every student the support they need to work through those word problems, whether they need extra hints or a bigger challenge. So it's a quick way to bring that differentiation and real-time feedback into your lessons and for students after class when you're not available. So give it a try and see how Edcafe can boost your math confidence in your classroom.